Work as a group. I want to hear the commentary. Let's go. Somebody draw it in their notebooks. Here we go. The 15-minute body is getting fatter. Here we go. Here we go. You recording this? Go for it. Walk around too, Aya. Walk around. Go through them. Here we go. 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Let's go, Giovanni, guys, groups. Let's go, Malik. I want to hear what you guys think is coming up next. No, the 15-minute candle. What do you think is going to form? Draw it out. How about you guys draw it out? Like, what's that game called that people play at family parties where you draw it? Pictionary. Pictionary. Do Pictionary as a group. Draw the candle in your notebooks. Let's go. Here we go. Hands up, you're in the Mara short. Mara, hands up, you're in the money. Let's go. Second trade of the day. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, you got 2 minutes left. I want to know as a group, what do you think is going to come? Red candle, wick on bottom. Hands up if you're feeling comfortable in this trade. Tell me why. Israel, why are you comfortable in this trade?
I was expecting a red candle.
Okay. Here we go. Trend, of course, the trend shifted. This. Before you read me your answers. All right, what was the overarching goal in this group? What was the overarching reason you're here in this group? Omi, go ahead. What was they saying? What was the conversation overall?
We were just saying get rid of the clutter that we learned.
Ah, he said it. Say that again. Who said that? Who mainly said that? Aladina? Okay, why Aladina?
Yeah, so going back to the question you asked me, how long I've been doing this for, and like activity doesn't necessarily equate to productivity. You can be doing something for many, many years. Doesn't mean you're successful and productive at it. And I let him know that my overall concept or goal for being here is essentially addition by subtraction, adding to my knowledge, my mental, the technicalities by subtracting all the clutter that I've accumulated and have been affiliated with those areas of who I am.
He said something that I'm about to say that might have set a lot of you. And I'm just going to tell you the truth because, you know, I do this stuff. Hands up if I am your first mentor in trading. I am the only one you've ever learned from. Hands up all the way and keep it up. Oh, it's the first class for majority of them. Haven, you see that? Put it down. Every one of you that put your hand up. Chris, you say it so I don't have to say it. What is the benefit of them?
We'll have you for life.
You have not been also brainwashed, corrupted by outside forces. Look at you quoting me. By outside forces. That is why. Why'd you laugh? Oh, boom. Now you finished the quote. What's next? What you mean you don't know? What you mean you don't know? You've been here for 3 days?
I'm distracted.
What are you distracted by? I don't get it. What do you mean you're distracted? Yeah, you should be watching it. So that's what I'm asking you. What are you mainly watching? Okay. So you're looking at the levels. Okay, cool. Good. What else? JP. They're gone. They're gone. You shouldn't even be looking. They're gone. They're away. Yes, you should see where it is, but at this point, they're away. Look, you can't even, bro, you can't even see the 200. It's so you can't even see it.
But at least on this one, I guess is about.
Yeah.
Normally you would.
Oh yeah, when it comes to penny stock, my eyes on VWAP and 200 all day. Okay. All right, now I'm about to give you the next level that's about to change your life. Get ready. What I'm about to tell you is the biggest takeaway you're about to get in the 3 days. Ready? Now we're grabbing. Oh, look at the way. And it just hit it. Out, exit, 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 exit. Rodriguez, come back.
I gotta share something.
Hold on, not yet. Exit, everyone get out, get out, get out. Just hit sell.
Woo, feels good.
Let's go, get out. Come on, I don't want you thinking about the trade. You have to get out so I can lecture you next. Everyone's hands up if you made money on this trade. Put it down. Hands up, this is trade 2 now we took on Mara. Hands up your second paycheck. Put your hands down. Hands up if you lost money on this trade. Nobody. Nobody. Cheetah. I call trading multiple paychecks. You're making 2 paychecks. You don't have a commute. You don't have to deal with coworkers. You don't got to deal with none of that. And your coworkers right now is your family. We all get along. We have the same mindset. Here we go. 1 minute, 33 seconds. This group, let me see your drawing. What do you call it? Pictionary? What's it called, Justin? Pictionary?
Dictionary.
Pictionary. Let me see. Let's see, group. What the hell is that? Oh my God. Write the color, write the color. Okay, let me see it, let me see it. Like that? Okay, cool. Let me see this side. Let me see what you guys think. Okay, cool. Let me see this side. Let me see your candle, quickly. Let me see. That one? Okay, oh, you're the only one with the wick on the top? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Almost everyone has that candle. Let me see. Okay, cool.
I would tell someone who's on the fence about taking it, do it. Just do it. Because you're going to learn so much from your classmates. There's so many sessions throughout the days where professor had us get with our peers at our table, and we just learned from each other. He gave us mini assignments, and then we went over each other's answers. So just that networking with your peers, you're going to learn so much. That's just something that you might not catch on one of Professor's lives. And I've actually been following Professor for a few years now. I was in his last virtual class last November, and it took an entire year to get here. And hands down, the only thing I regret is not coming sooner. What I learned from this, and what I knew I needed patience to do this, Professor always mentions it in his lives, in his lessons, but being here, being submersed in the classroom, seeing it on the big screen, you really need patience to understand that this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. It really is a skill set that wasn't taught to us in school, wasn't taught to us in our home, that this is a skill set that we're learning, and that we need to go follow that crawl, walk, run, and then fly. He'll help get us there. He's providing all the tools, and with patience and consistency, we'll get to his level someday.
Hey, you're late to class. What are you doing? Sit down, let's go. The book. Get your notebook. We got work to do right now. Listen, if you want to sign up, come to the mentorship. Guys, what do you think? Learned a lot? Hold up. Listen, but you're late. Let's go. Page 33. Help them, Sam. Page 33 right here. That's the page you need to go in the book, right? Some people? So let's go. Get the notebook ready. Page 33. Click down below. Make it happen. I'll catch you in class. Boom.